We got Mitchell's tanning out here in the shop today.
Now people can't see me and they're freaking my nose.
We're just gonna put a pro charge on it.
Gotta hit on this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are. So we're out here at Wolvesden. We're dropping the Beamer off for a wrap. But check out all these they got here. Look at these cars. This place is huge. Yeah.
Look at that McLaren up there.
Yeah. That thing's nasty. So they're full of cars here. The Lamborghini. But we got my old car up in here, which is Melinda's car, so they wrapped this one too. Mine's gonna be a similar wrap. It's gonna be snow camo. We'll have the Wolvesden on the side and like a sticker stack and all that. And it's weird seeing this thing. This is my car, but yeah. So it's all cleaned up now. We're doing some stuff to it. But Jim got him a Corvette as well. So let's check his out. This is the newest member to the Corvette club here. So yeah, so this is Jim's new vet. Check this thing out. Got a super good deal on it. Throwing some stickers on it, angle kit. It's got Brian over at Gas doing all kinds of stuff for him. It's the same people that built my E36, but yeah, I don't know. This is pretty cool. Can't wait to see the wrap. It's gonna come out great. And I don't know. That's about it. Let's go. Guys, welcome back to the channel. So we kind of broke down in the G35 and got stuck at the beach and we had to leave the car there, but we were riding with Georgie and Clyde, and Clyde's got no seats, so it's me and Georgie literally back here sitting behind this thing like a roller coaster ride, praying that we make it back to the truck okay to get the trailer. Then we're gonna come back and load the car on the trailer and take it back to the shop. So how dangerous this guy is. Look at this. This ain't even bolted in. We got well, technically that's my impact. Pray for us. What do you have to say about this, Clyde? If we wreck, this is highly dangerous. What is this about? This is gonna knock you out.
But did you die though?
I'm scared, quite frankly, and I hope we don't get pulled over. This is highly illegal, but pray for us. checking in here. We're halfway there. Oh, there's a cop. Duck. Get down, George.
Oh shit.
No. This is. That wasn't a cop. That was just a roof rack. We're continuing on.
Today's vlog of day in the life of Mitchie.
Yeah, this is definitely a trip. We already went, like where we broke down at. It was like right at the beach, and there was like a million love bugs. There was like 20 on my legs and everything. So we went down to the beach to wait for the car to cool off, but it still didn't start. So we're going to get the trailer, and this is still sketchy. So everybody comment that Clyde needs a chair and some bolts for the floor rack, probably.
It'll be okay. I got the seat.
Dude, if you would have got hit in this car, that thing would have knocked your ass out. We're over here in Clyde's box. This piece of crap. He's got ants in here, bro.
There's a whole
This thing is
collection
dangerous.
of species of bugs in here.
Me and Georgie here are scared for our lives right now. Like, look at us. Sweating. It's hot. We just walked a country mile down the beach. We're almost back though, so I'll check back in. Hit it. So we also did a donut in Clyde's car, sitting behind this thing. How was that?
My Guibo, I think, just failed.
Something broke.
That's alright.
Well, we made it back to the shop. Now we're gonna get in the truck, go grab the trailer, and head to the beach to pick up the G35 from the side of the road.
It's on there. It's ready to go. Let's go rescue the car.
Oh.
Ready to play rescue? Alright.
What do you say? This sucks, but we gotta do it, so this is what we're doing. Now, I load it like that every time. Alright, so we made it back finally. That was quite the adventure today, but the car ended up being the crank position sensor. So we made it all back. What y'all think of that crap?
Oh my god, what a long day. A little cruise turned into a whole adventure. A little boy, I tell you.
Yeah, so we finally made it back, but we're gonna just leave the car on the trailer. We got some other stuff we were planning to do with it, but we're gonna get the sensor and fix it, and you'll see what else is gonna happen with it. So stay tuned later. What's going on, guys? So we got kind of a change of plans. We are gonna hook Georgie, my cameraman, up with a brand new drift car. Well, it's not technically brand new, but he's from Georgia, the country, and he doesn't have a drift car here. He drifted back in his country and he has a car there. So I got this car for cheap, so we're gonna hook him up today. So he doesn't even know I'm here, so just watch this. I'm gonna knock on his door and kind of surprise him, so let's go. This is gonna be hilarious, watch this. So we're about to knock on George's door in a second. He's on the 3rd floor. I'm gonna head up and give him a little surprise. Surprise!
Wow. What happened?
I got a gift for you downstairs. You gotta come check
What's
it
that?
out. I don't know. You'll see when you get down there.
What do you mean?
Come on.
What do you mean?
Come on, I'm gonna show you.
Hey, it's me.
how are you? Good, how are you?
Good. Everything okay?
Yeah? You
Yeah.
wanna come too?
Where?
Downstairs.
He said down.
Go on.
Okay. I take my
All right. And you're filming.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna take George downstairs and show him what I got him. So stay tuned.
I hope it is good.
It's definitely good.
I'm
You're
just kidding.
definitely gonna like it.
Really?
Hey, how are you? How's it going? Alright, so we're gonna head downstairs and then he's gonna see what we got for him. Alright, so we're here. I'm gonna show Georgie. Here's the keys to your new drift car.
No way. No way. No, no.
Seriously?
Yeah?
No, no.
Real?
You can have the G. It's for you. You do such good camera work.
Wow.
You're all the way from Georgia. You want a drift car.
Yeah.
You really want one, so I have an extra
Really?
one, so we're gonna hook you up today.
Wow. Thank you very much, brother.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's check it out.
I don't know. That's a life-changing gift, you know?
Yeah. That's what we do.
Wow.
Changing lives. But now
That's
you can join us
amazing,
at the track.
Oh yeah,
And you
for
can
sure.
and you can start your YouTube here in America
Yeah.
and everything. So,
I was gonna do, but I didn't know how much time would it take.
Yeah. You want to see it?
Yeah, but then I'm
Look.
shocked.
It's here?
Yeah. Look.
I'm shocked.
Keep going from. So it broke down and everything. So you know we did all that today. So
I know that, but it's
after
just
you-
a sensor, you know?
Yeah, but after you left, I was like, well, let me take it to Georgie. He can just have it. 'Cause I was thinking about it anyway. So, but it's got the extra wheels and stuff. I'll bring those
Yeah.
later. And then it has a Mishimoto thermostat, radiator, all the hoses. It has a bunch of extra stuff at the shop
Wow.
that I can bring.
I'm speechless right now.
Yeah,
So I'm shaking.
yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
And now you can join us at the track. You'll have to help me unload it, but
That's not a big deal.
yeah, we had a nightmare loading this thing up today, but it got stuck out at the beach and we had to load it up, but we used the winch and got it on. So now we're gonna unload it and park it over here for him, and then he'll get a sensor. I'll give you $100 to get a sensor too.
Wow,
Merry
thank
Christmas. So,
you.
so he
It was
gets that.
actually my birthday
Oh,
this month.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, you see that?
yeah.
Oh, so.
Wow.
Happy birthday. Now you have a drift car.
Oh my God.
Oh, you like the car? You like the car? Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's like real.
It's for real?
Yeah.
Wow, that's
all
the
yours.
best gift I've ever had.
It's got brand new wheels, new tires. It comes with 2 other sets of wheels, I think, and 2 other sets of tires extra you'll have to drift. So you can pretty much just fix the sensor and go drift.
It's ready to go.
Yeah. There's an event tomorrow if you hurry.
Yeah.
There's one at OSW. So
Yeah. Thank you, bro.
yeah, man.
You. I don't know. I'm speechless.
That's-
It's
I would-
normal, right?
yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. So,
I hope so.
Yeah. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm glad I could help you. And
Thank you, brother.
oh yeah,
I appreciate that.
yeah, man. So we're gonna get this unloaded and put in the parking spot for him, and I'll probably bring him the other parts tomorrow or the next day, and then we'll see him at the track soon. Let's go. All right, so we got the car unloaded, and we just carried these 2 tires all the way from down there to up here. And if you've ever done that, there's more work than I need to do. But, so, are you happy with the car? You like it?
Oh, for sure. I mean, I love it.
Yeah.
I know I need to fix, but that's nothing.
It's just a sensor. It's
Yeah,
not
I know.
that much, so it should be good.
But I don't know.
All right, guys, we're gonna get out of here. He's got the car. What do you think?
I don't know.
He don't even know what to say, but
Yeah.
it's yours now. I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah.
Glad I could help you out, man. Yep. So
it is blessing,
yeah,
if I'm saying correct.
yeah, no, it's good. So look forward to seeing him out at the track, and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.